Alright, I'm going to show you how to remove a keyboard in an HP mini laptop. You want to flip it over. You want to pull the battery out. Once you pull the battery out, if you look, there's a little orange thing here. You want to kind of push it and towards yourself in this direction here. So I'm going to push it over. And having it over, you're going to want to just pull up. Oh, that popped off really easy. Sometimes it's kind of rough. You want to go around and pry it up over here and over here to get it up good. Once you have that done, there's a, if you look close, looks like a little picture of a keyboard. Now, there's 3 of these. There's little engraving of like a little keyboard looking thing right in front of this screw here. And then there's another one. If you look close, there's another little keyboard engraved here. Take that screw out. And there's one more right here. Alright, now we want to open it up. We're going to have to try this keyboard out. There's little tabs, little clip. You want to take a flathead. Let me find a flathead. Take a flathead and you want to go up under these little clips and kind of pry it up. And once you're under it, you can kind of pull up with your fingers. Once that's done, you got a ribbon cable right here. When you want to get under it, I always use my fingernail. I get up under it and I just lift it up. And once you lift it up, it pulls right out. Once you do that, you get your new keyboard and you put it in the same exact way. You want to slide your ribbon cable let's see, let's try it like that. There we go. Alright, once that's done, you pop that back down. You want to lift it like this and put these little teeth down in there. They have a little slot they slide into. Once they slide in, you want to go around pushing on it. You want to close it, put your screws back in it. Once that's on, all you do is pop the bottom on and put the battery back on it. It just snaps in. Slide the battery back in and you're finished.